Workiz doesn't usually charge a separate setup fee as a standard line item, but the real cost comes from onboarding time, account configuration, and how much help you need to get your field service workflow fully running. By the end of this, you'll know what setup actually involves, where costs can show up indirectly, and whether paying for onboarding help is worth it or unnecessary. Start with the structure. Workiz is a field service management platform used for scheduling, dispatching, invoicing, and job tracking. Setting it up is not just signing in. It's building your entire operational system inside the software. Now look at onboarding. Some businesses go through a guided onboarding process where Workiz helps configure the account. That includes setting up job types, service categories, customer data, and dispatch workflows. Even if it's not labeled as a setup fee, this type of support can be bundled into higher tier plans or implementation services, depending on how you sign up. Next, consider data migration. If you're moving from spreadsheets or another software, your customer lists, job history, and pricing structures need to be imported. The more data you have, the more setup time is required, either by your team or with support help. Now look at internal time cost. Even without paying extra, your team still has to configure everything. That includes office staff building workflows, dispatchers learning scheduling tools, and technicians adapting to mobile job updates. That time is a real cost because it slows normal operations during setup. Next, think about training. Workiz has a lot of features like automation, phone system integration, and dispatch optimization. Getting your team comfortable with those tools takes time, especially if you're switching from a simpler system. Now consider integrations. Many businesses connect Workiz with accounting tools, payment processors, or marketing systems. Each integration adds setup steps and sometimes requires troubleshooting during onboarding. Next, look at customization. Workiz is flexible, but flexibility means you have to define your own workflows. That setup work can take longer for businesses with more complex scheduling or multi-tech operations. Now understand the real cost. Even if there is no separate setup fee, you are still paying through time, training effort, and potential onboarding services depending on your plan. So is it worth it? It depends on your situation. If you want a faster, smoother launch with less downtime, paid onboarding support can be worth it. If your business is simple and you're comfortable setting up software yourself, you can avoid extra costs and do it in-house. To sum it up, Workiz setup cost usually comes from three things: onboarding support level, data migration effort, and the time your team spends configuring and learning the system. Next step is simple. Map out your workflows before signing up, decide who on your team will handle setup, and only pay for onboarding help if you need faster implementation or complex migration support. If this helped, like the video, subscribe for more Workiz breakdowns, field service software insights, and simple explanations that make business tools easier to understand.